Bang! Neeves Knives, I'm Jared, and we have a bunch of new Petrified Fish models. So let's get through them. Now, everything will be linked down in the description. So if you're looking for anything from this video or any of my other links to any of the dealers or companies or my sites, everything is linked down in the description, including I just redid my Amazon store, which you guys should check out because it has a lot of really cool stuff in there. I'm still working on it, so I'm going to keep adding stuff. This is the, what was it, Zonda or something like that? Right. The Zonda. So this is the Petrified Fish Zonda. And look at this blade, these little grooves right here. I love that. I don't know if it's hollow or flat. I think it's flat, but it has beautiful swedge with those little mill lines in there. It is somewhat of a Nessmuk. That's what it reminds me of. It is basically a large Nessmuk, and it has either this, I think it's olive wood, not 100% about that. And then we have G10 here. You had a reversible clip that it does have a replaceable plate. TA hardware all the way around except for the pocket clip, but screaming ergos, man. This is crazy comfortable. It just wraps right around, man. This is a good one if you're looking for the Nessmuk style, which is an outdoors knife, but you want it for EDC. This ain't a bad gig. Now, you could still use this for light duty outdoor stuff, but I wouldn't obviously be batoning with it or anything like that. Plunge rind could be a little bit better. It is 14C28N, so it's a super tough steel. You have good access, or at least decent access to the lock bar, and it is stupid smooth, like redunculous. Very good slow roll, easy to reverse or thumb flick. Man, it is so smooth. You have nice texturing on the thumb studs, so they work great. They're placed in a good spot. And, you know, with the G10's grippy, but it's not like crazy grippy. You have the deep carry clip that is inset with flat screws. I love to see that. Nice and smooth in and out of the pocket. And if you look the way it curves, that means it's going to kind of push it this way in your pocket. So when you're carrying it, it'll actually push itself, you know, towards the seam of your pocket, which is really nice. But again, man, great ergos, man. If you're going to be doing whittling or hunting or whatever, man, this is a cool knife. Now let's get, I don't really have much complaints except for that damn plunge grind. This, what was in here? This, oh, wait, what is that? Okay, so this goes to something over here. We'll check that out here in 1 second. Let's check this one out first. Okay, so this is the Bison. So I think we have a couple of these. Give me 1 second. Just give me a second, guys. Give me a little second. Why do I, oh, that's for this, I bet. Okay. No, it's not. It can't be. All right, I'm gonna do this kind of quick and I'm gonna put together my favorite one. But before I do, I wanna show you guys this. So it comes with extra hardware with different colors. Then you have, there's different color scales that you can get. Here's white G10, we got some burlap micarta, we got black G10, and even some blue twill. That's the one we're gonna put on. And I think we're gonna put it on a black blade with black hardware, but it would look kind of cool on, I'll think about it. But we have a sheath, and this is called the Bison. And look at that, man. Great retention. I can push off with the back of my thumb, which I do like, so I don't have to push my finger all the way down. Good snap. We have a drop point or clip point blade, beautiful jimping. Blade steel is N690. Yes, N690 steel. This one has like a titanium nitride coating, but then we have a plain one, a stonewash. So this is a stonewash. I just want to make sure I'm looking for, N690. Okay, so this one's N692. I'm guessing they all are. And then we have the blacked out one, which is also stonewashed. So 3 different color options. I'm not sure which one. I think I might want to do the gray. I don't know, because I want to do the blue twill. I'm going to toss them on really quick. You know what? Yeah, I think it'll look better on the black, but we do have the hardware to match. Maybe the gray. You know what? Screw it. I'm just going to do the gray, and I will use the gray. Is there gray hardware? I see black, and then they all come with black, and then this. I'm guessing this is just going to match either one, the plain or this one. But let's do it really quick. So, oh yeah, by the way, they did send me, look at this, some scissors. Isn't that cool? So these scissors have like this little spot right there. I'm not sure why that's separated like that. But, and then they sent me an extra sheath. I'm guessing the sheath is just for this, because it looks just like, yeah, it's just like these other sheaths. So, yeah. I don't know if that would look cool, but it kind of looks cool, right? Screw it, let's do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna quickly, even though I have a million knives around me, I'm gonna utilize these scissors really quick and take out these beautiful blue, I love blue twill, man. I am a sucker for blue twill. Okay, so we just put it on just like that, and all of them will go on just the same. You can get different hardware if that's your jam. Am I doing that right? No, I'm not doing that right. There we go. Also, look at how it angles like that. That's cool. So nice pinch grip. It does make it much more comfortable in the hand. I'll be done with this in 2 seconds. So, I'm getting hungry. There we go. Bang gang, look at that. I think that looks cool, man. The gray, oh my goodness, that looks beautiful. I actually love the way that looks. Now, I don't know how it's gonna look with the orange. Ooh, and it's got even a better snap. Like, there's no rattle, no tap. I like the way that looks. I wish these were blue, but not a big deal. Yeah, that's pretty cool. It is way, I personally, this is just me, I don't like scaleless knives. They're just too thin in the hand for me. They're just not comfortable for me. I could never use them. Now, if you're gonna have it just for a neck knife for a just in case situation, okay, then that's fine. But man, I would never want to slice or really use a knife. Even in that situation, I wouldn't want to if I have the choices to have scales. The burlap looks really cool too. I do like the burlap, but man, the twill, that is really dope. But I'd probably do the black and white because I think that would make it pop a little, you know, pretty good. Black and white. And then I would do the burlap with this one. So I think that would be the best way to do it. And then, like I said, I would keep the orange sheath for this, but you always have the black sheath. You know, I don't know, they sent that, the extra one. Man, the sheaths are phenomenal. And then, you know, you could always cook up an Alti clip or something. They do have, oh yeah, this one, that's what it was. This came with one of these belt clips that I can put like this. Okay, wait, how does that go? Like that? No. How does that work? I think it would go like, yeah, no, wait. Do you slip it over? No. What the hell am I doing, Bobby? What the hell, Bobby? Oh, like that. There we go. So, and then this, so this would, let's just put it on. Son of a bitch. All right, let's get a Phillips. Okay, so this one's going to go like this. I'm gonna go high, hook it in. And put the rubber. So you gotta put the piece, the rubber, and then this guy. Baby, I don't want that right now. I need food. I did. I ate an orange already. I'm actually not so certain about this. I put it on, but then if you look, when it slips over the top right there, the second hole doesn't land. So I thought about doing it like this, but then it feels weird. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I'm understanding this one quite. I guess I could just do one, one spot, but then I feel like it'll just twist. Somebody's watching this saying, you are a dumb son of a bitch. Let me try this direction. Maybe if I snap it over. I don't know if that'll work. Probably not. I don't see why that would be any different. No. The only way to do it where they both hit is if I go like this. So that's what I'm doing. I'm guessing that's just the way it goes, and I'm just a moron, which is the likely scenario here. Moron. That's the cute, badass thing about having a spinning end, is you can just palm it and spin. Okay. Now this one would be this, right through the hole. That's what I said. And then the Schmitty, I probably have that backwards. Yes, I do. Let's go this way. You motherfucker. Ah, no. You gotta be kidding me. That's my damn luck. Shit. Did it drop right here? No, fuck. Man, this one. There we go. Now it would go like this around the belt, and it would hold. And just my luck, I put it on backwards, but I would probably just go in the pocket anyway. So I actually did do it right, because that's how I would do it. I would just go just like that. Just like that. And then if I wanted it, bam, right there. And then I can easily get it right back in the pocket. That actually works out pretty good. Let's see if I can just pull it. No, it will pull out of the pocket, but I snap it out with my finger anyways. But if I go this direction, you see how it's backwards face? So I'd have to put it on the inside, which I don't really want to do. Yeah, I don't like that. That's stupid. So I could flip it around to the other side or do it the way I have it, which I would prefer anyways, because it would go right into the pocket perfectly. Yeah, and that's the way I like it. I'll tell you what, man, I'm not putting the rest of these together right now because this thing was kicking my ass. And I see now that I put the damn screws on backwards. I like the knife. I'll be honest. I do like the knife, especially because it comes with the scales, but I'm not going to sit here and mess around with the other ones right now because I feel like it's just something's going to go wrong. I just can't do it. So work hard, stay tough. Until next time, peace. Maybe I should do a video on sharpening these. See how good they work. Ooh, it didn't work too well right there, did it? Oh yeah, there it goes. He's got to kind of know how to grab them. Yeah, it clips all the way up to the tip, so not too bad.